Dear friends, good morning. I would like to share a few thoughts on the theme helping others despite your struggles. Helping others while hurting seems to be a paradox. For in serving others despite your struggles amount to pouring out from an empty cup, which seems counterintuitive. However, since you can never be fully free of your burdens, your everyday life involves a balancing act carrying your own burdens and reaching out to others to lighten their burden. Besides, your everyday human experience reminds you that compassion is not just reserved for the strong, but even for those who are weak and struggling. Therefore, helping others is not always about abundance, but it is about intention. Even when your resources are scarce, you can help others with a word of encouragement by giving a listening ear or providing a small act of service. And such acts can ripple onwards in ways you cannot measure. Besides, helping others can become a source of self-healing. When you extend help, you acknowledge that suffering is universal. And this recognition dissolves isolation and reminds you that you are not alone. For example, a student, though battling anxiety, tutors a classmate, thereby finds courage in the shared learning. Similarly, acts of kindness often reveal hidden reserves of resilience, and you discover that you are stronger than you imagined. For instance, a parent facing financial hardship who still volunteers at a community kitchen realizes that her generosity is not measured in wealth but in spirit. Likewise, helping others reframes your struggle instead of being consumed by pain, making yourself an agent of hope. To cite an example, a survivor of cancer who mentors others beginning the same journey of recovery transforms scars into lantern of guidance. These examples show that helping others is not about perfection but about presence. Thus, helping others while struggling does not erase your pain but often transforms it. The act becomes a form of self-care, a reminder that you are capable of contributing meaning even in your difficulty. For each kindness strengthens your ability to endure, it builds bonds that sustain you through hardship, and your struggles become testimonies of grace, teaching others compassion. Finally, helping others despite your struggles is not about denying your pain, but it is about transforming it into a bridge of empathy. It is the quiet heroism of ordinary people, proving that even in brokenness, you can be an instrument of healing. Stay blessed until we see you again with another video.